not doing construction, you are moving the vehicle on the road.
Thank you very much.
Oh my God.
My biggest challenge is
Biggest.
to meet with the road traffic.
Biggest. This is the only major risk. Yeah, I put here. Right, 100 trucks, oblique vehicles are anticipated during peak hours, during peak days, right?
Yeah.
Days, and with the minimum 3 trips, 2 to 3 trips.
2
to 3 trips every day.
Every day. Per day.
Every day for 1 year, for 365 days.
Yeah.
The major risk. The team has highlighted the major construction risk. Risk is vehicle movement, and hence HSC plan has covered all safety measures for road safety along with traffic management. Traffic plan, right?
Traffic management plan.
Plan will be monitored every day, right? Will be monitored every day.
Yeah, almost. Yes. Every day we are reviewing the traffic.
Yeah, monitored every day on daily basis.
The access.
This is the very important VASIS. Okay, guys, good. So access and sequence that we have seen, no major concern. Maintenance, no major concern. Heavy lift, no.